k into k minus k into k equals to 48. Find k. Let's start solution. K into k minus k into k equals to 48. K into k cube minus k into k square equals to 48. K cube minus k square equals to 48 times to 64 minus 16. Here right side answer goes to left side. K cube minus k square plus 64 equals minus 64. Minus 16 times to plus 16 equals to k cube minus k square minus 64 equals to 4 cube plus 16 equals to 4 square equals to 0. K cube minus 4 cube minus k square plus 4 square equals to 0. K cube minus 4 cube minus is common, k square minus 4 square equals to 0. Here it a cube minus b cube, here k square minus b square. A cube minus b cube equals to a minus b into a square plus ab plus b square. A square minus b square equals to a plus b into a minus b. Formula. K cube minus 4 cube. K minus 4 into k square plus 4k plus 4 square minus k minus 4, k plus 4 into k minus 4. Here k minus 4 is common. K minus 4 is common. K square plus 4k. This 4 square equals 60. Minus k plus 4. K minus 4 into k square plus 4k plus 16 minus 4k minus 4. K minus 4 into k square plus 4k minus k, 3k. 16 minus 4 plus 12 equals to 0. K minus 4 equals to 0. K square plus 3k plus 12 equals to 0. K equals to 0 plus 4. K equals to 4. Here this is quadratic equation. K equals to minus b plus or minus root over b square minus 4 raised by 2a. Here a equals to 1, b equals to 3, c equals to 12, k equals to minus 3 plus or minus root over 3 square minus 4 into a equals to 1, b, c equals 12, 2 into 1, k equals to minus 3 plus or minus root over 3 square value minus 4 ones are 4, 4 plus 48 divided by 2. K equals to minus 3 plus or minus square root of 9 minus 48 minus 39 divided by 2. K equals to minus 3 plus or minus square root of 39 into I by 2. Here I square equals to minus k equals to minus 3 plus root of 39 into I by 2 and minus 3 minus root 39 into I by 2. Therefore, k values first 4 minus 3 plus root 39 to I by 2 and minus 3 minus root 39 to I by 2. Check if k equals to 4, k into k minus k into k equals to 48. K value is 4, 4 into 4 into 4 minus 4 into 4 equals to 48. 4 fours is 16, 16 fours is 64 minus 4 fours is 16 equals to 40. 64 minus 16 equals to 48 equals. Please like and share and subscribe to my channel.